Welcome to Hank's Place. Come on in, I've been expecting you. Here in Psalms 91, verse 15, it reads, "He will call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will rescue him and honor him." These are verses intended to give you strong confidence in the Lord. Yet a friend of ours came to us recently saying, "I'm so afraid." Afraid? I read Psalm 91 and verse 15. What was wrong with that, we asked. Well, what if I don't call upon the Lord? Will I be lost? Will I be in trouble? It says I'll be rescued if I call upon him, but what if I don't? I said, friend, you don't understand how much better the new covenant is than the old. In the old, it was up to you. You had to call upon the Lord. It rested on your shoulders. In the new, he dwells within us. He's written what we need to do upon our minds. What we want to do is the same thing. It's on our hearts. We know we need to call upon the Lord. Our heart says, yes, we will do it, and we will do it. How do I know? The Holy Spirit dwells in us to help us in our weaknesses and infirmities. Friend, it's a tremendous covenant, this new covenant. Don't sell it short. It rests upon Jesus' shoulders, and those are mighty big shoulders. Rest in this truth, friend. In time of trouble, you will call upon the Lord, and he will not fail you. You live in the new, you have come alive.